How's it going?
Good.
Tell us about yourself.
I'm Mariya Smolkin. I went to University of Maryland, Baltimore County, UMBC. I have a degree in computer science. And since then, I've been doing a combination of application development and data analysis. Right now, I'm more of a business analyst where I communicate between the finance industry, investment staff, and IT department.
Tell us about your company.
I am trying to start a company called RosterBuddy. It is a league management tool and team organization tool for social sports leagues. And it sends out weekly game notifications and has other features for scheduling and registration and payments.
How many people are on the team?
We have 4 people on the team. I'm doing like kind of the business development, strategizing aspect of it, but I'm also trying to learn Ruby on Rails to help out with the development and get more technical again. Our main developer is Douglas Jones, and he also has a computer science degree, and he already had some experience with Ruby. We just got a new developer on our team named Corey Weidenhammer, who's going to be handling the mobile applications development. And we also have Joe Hurst, he is a graphic designer.
So this RosterBuddy came out of Startup Weekend, correct? So when the weekend ended and you went home that night, Sunday night, and you lay your head on the pillow, what were you thinking? What was going through your mind?
I thought the weekend was awesome. I was really happy that I met a couple people that I could continue this with. It was my idea I came up with a few months ago, but I didn't have a team, and I thought it was important for the team to be local so that we can continue to meet on a regular basis. And they are, Corey's in College Park, Joe's in Towson, and Douglas is in Columbia. So we meet about once a week. We all left Startup Weekend wanting to continue to work on it and hopefully make it viable.
What has happened since that time and today, which is about a couple of weeks?
We've been meeting weekly, and we have like some shared documents as well. So we've been doing some documentation for like a system architecture and database, working on a design, and we're just trying to develop a MVP, minimum viable product.
Have you set up a company?
No, we have not. We would like to first get a website out there and get some teams using it. And if it starts to bring in some money, then we'll handle all the paperwork.
And so right now, what are the big decisions that you need to make as a founder?
I guess we need to decide what the next steps are. If we can have an MVP, what the round 2 model looks like. So the first model will be limited features, and I think the second one is where we would actually have a more robust application that we would try to sell to customers, to leagues, as opposed to just having a website that's online. So it would be like a business service based.
What are the strengths of your team, do you think?
I think because we can wear multiple hats. We're all somewhat technical. Like even Joe, who's the graphic designer, he's working on a degree in information systems, and he has a lot of experience with HTML and CSS files, and then Corey, Douglas, and I all have computer science degrees, but Corey has a lot of management experience. So again, we have the technical skills, but we can also do the sales.
What are your weaknesses, do you think, or what are would like to enrich, or do you think?
Well, I'm a little bit out of practice in terms of the technical side. Corey as well has been more on the project management side the past few years, and so it's a little bit of a learning curve where our development will be slower than maybe some people that are coming into it had a lot of experience with Ruby. And also just the time. We all have full-time jobs. So Joe's in school full-time. So, between our other obligations, I'd love to meet 5 times a week, but it's not possible right now.
Is there anything you'd like the judges to know about you and the company when they see you in a couple of weeks?
I guess just that, all of us, we're all interested in making this a full-time business. And so I'm ready to take that leap. So I guess I would just want them to know that, and if they have any advice for me on how to make that happen faster and get it to the point where it's viable. And obviously quitting my day job would be a risk regardless, but where it's at least to the point that it's not a stupid risk.
Okay, thanks.
Thank you.